In this video, I will guide you on how to check who viewed your Instagram profile. First, launch open the Instagram app. First, it's important to note that Instagram does not let you know exactly who has viewed your profile. Any app or website claiming to show profile viewers is not official and should be avoided. However, if you have a professional account, you can access additional insights. Tap on the profile icon in your Instagram app, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, find the option of account type and tools. Then tap on account type and switch to a professional account over here. After you have switched, head back over to your profile. Now, while you cannot see profile visitors, you can post an Instagram story or create a story highlight. Anyone who views your story or highlight may appear in the viewer list for as long as Instagram makes that information available. You can also use insights on professional account. Go ahead and tap on the professional dashboard. And from here, you will be able to view the number of profile visits on your account. You can also check out other engagement metrics, but you will not be able to see the identities of everyone who visited your profile. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.